是非宅梦想却很大，镜子里的自己怎么也不想留下。每一天清晨几声饭准备好，糙米搭配空心菜，目标在前方闪耀。数据下降，体态在变化，汗水滴在地上，带着希望萌芽。从不可能到也许吧，一步步走向我自己的回答。5个月，从梦想到舞台，没地雷，没分类，变成了期待。腹肌出现，渴望超越现在。就算没名次，我也更爱现。朋友们惊讶，眼睛都亮起来。从宅男变成健身房的怪胎，一次次挑战，感觉如此爽快。脚步从没停下，梦想不再空白。5个月，从梦想到舞台，没地雷，没分类，变成了期待。腹肌出现，渴望超越现在。就算没名次，我也更爱现。朋友们惊讶，眼睛都亮起来。从宅男变成健身房的怪胎，一次次挑战，感觉如此爽快。脚步从没停下，梦想不再空白。5个月，从梦想到舞台，没地雷，没分类，变成了期待。腹肌出现，渴望超越现在。就算没名次，我也更爱现。曾经以为还要等好多年，努力不懈，终于过了这考验。那些嘲笑声，如今不再挂念。我走出阴影，迎接光明的终点。
First heartbreak hit like a meteor shower. Scattered pieces of me across these midnight hours. Thought I was titanium, found out I'm glass. Funny how love make you drop that tough act fast. Remember December, your coat on my chair. Now I'm seeing ghosts in all this empty air. Used to write love songs, now I'm writing eulogies for the kid I was before you schooled me ruthlessly. Time ain't no healer, more like a translator, turning fresh wounds into data for later. Each tear crystallized into wisdom gems. Now I'm mining pain for these strategic ends. See that first cut carved new eyes in me. Now I read people's hearts like poetry. You left me with a PhD and goodbye. Now every new hello comes with a side of why. Crazy how memory works like slow poison. Sweet at first taste, bitter when it's closing in. Found your old playlist, damn near lost my mind. Funny how songs become landmines with time, but check it. Each explosion cleared some ground in me. Built foundations where your love used to sound in me. That void you left, turned it to a garden. Growing roses from the seeds of all our pardons. Remember thinking love was simple mathematics? Add 2 hearts, subtract the world, that's all there is. Now I know it's more like quantum physics. Multiple dimensions, parallel existence. Yeah, you broke my heart, but broke my blinders too. Now I see myself in HD, coming through. Crystal clear like morning after rainfall. Each crack you left, now letting in light, y'all.